Sibingelele ababukeli bonke beDream On TV. Namhlanje kuJanuary ka2026 uqala unyaka with the motivation with Mr. Mcwaba khona la eMzimkhulu. Namhlanje into engifuna ukuthi siyibheke nje uqala unyaka, ngicela sibheke amazwi encwadini kaIsaiah chapter 60 lafundeka ngalolu hlobo athi arise and shine for your light has come. Now into engiyithanda la kulamazwi kaIsaiah uthi arise, but uma ufunda uverse 2 uthi uverse 2 i-darkness covers the whole world, kodwa uthi wena arise and shine, okusho ukuthi you don't wait until kuze kube kuyakhanya izwe lonke, kodwa wena you rise khona kunjalo. You don't wait until the economy yenza kahle, you don't wait until kuphela corruption, you don't wait until kuphela ama-injustices akhona, but wena you arise, for the light of the Lord and the glory of the Lord is upon yourself. Arise and shine. It is your year 2026, so kusho ukuthi fanele usukume wenze izinto zenzeke, fanele usukume manje. Kade uthi uzoqala izinto, kade uthi uzoliqala lelo business, kade uthi uzobuyela esikoleni, kade uthi uzoqhubeka nama dreams onawo, kade ubeka ama resolutions ongawafezi. Now it is the time that you arise and shine. Lalela ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi abantu abaphumelelayo, it is not abantu abanengqondo eningi kunabanye, kodwa abantu abasukayo abathi abayicabangile bayenze bayi-implement. It is time that you do izinto zenzeke. Impilo ilinde wena wenza izinto, ilinde wena uthathe action. Until uthathe action akukho kuzokwenzeka empilweni yakho. Uma usacomplain usabuka zonke izinto ezi-around as negative, that is the darkness that is there. Verse 2 uyakhuluma nge-darkness, but at the same time uthi wena arise and shine. So into engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo ke sengizovala eyokuthi arise kwakho, don't wait until you are perfect, kodwa qala ukuze uzoba perfect. Awulindi ukuze ube wenza izinto ngendlela ephakeme, kodwa uyaqala ukwenza, then mase uqhubeka nokuzenza izinto, then uba ngcono ngokuba ngcono. Uma ngabe i-Apple wayivele oba perfect kwi-Apple yokuqala bayenza ifoni yabo, ngaba wekho Apple 15, ngaba akekho Apple 17, ngaba akekho njengamanje. Into edala ukuthi babe khona, it is because they were not perfect as well, as much as babenconywa ngaleso sikhathi, but bekusakhona i-improvement ababe sengayenza. Don't wait. Yabona lento ekutshela ukuthi linda uzobe perfect, yilento ezokwenza ungaqali. Wena qalisa manje, and into emnandi ngokuqala manje ukuthi even when you make mistakes you learn from them, and when you make mistakes at the early stages, ama mistake wakhona are not costly. So qala njengamanje, don't wait until you are perfect. Ayikho into ekuthiwa ukuba perfect, kodwa uyaqalisa khona manje. Qala bekudelile abantu, qala abantu bekubukela phansi, qala ngoku abantu bekubona bekubiza ngomfana omncane, bekubiza ngomntwana, bethi wazini wena. Qala ngoku abantu be-negative, ngoku abantu bengasupportani, ngoba abantu abasupportani until they see ukuthi it is popular to do so. So qala njengamanje, vele akusinto eqalayo leyo. Nabanye abapopular njengamanje baqala kunjenganawe, nalabo sokucabanga ukuthi bawompetha kule field okuyona, nabo baqala bengazi ukuthi bama-amateur, baqala kuthiwa hawu nangu umfana omncane uRonaldo engene ebholeni, nangu uMessi umfana omncane under the shadows of ama-legends ayikhona ngaleso sikhathi. Little did they know ukuthi later on bona bazoba ama-legend. So nawe, for you to get ahead, fanele uqalile ekugcineni. Ama-companies wabona esemakhulu esenza ama-millions, aqala nawo, aqala avulwa engenayo ne-cent kwi-account yakhona. So arise and shine. Don't wait ukuthi izinto zibe ziyakhanya. Don't wait, don't procrastinate. Uthi ulinde ukuthi izinto zibe right zonke, ulinde ukuthi yonke into isebenze uzuyibone. No. Awukwazi ukuthi ubompethe ekudriveni ungayazi uqala ungene, noma ungafunda kangakanani ngokudrive, ufunda uK57 uqede ufunda ngazi ukreme kanjani, kodwa ungengazi usibambe i-steering ngeke uzube perfect. Start now, arise and shine. Mr. Mcwaba lona, I'm a motivational speaker. Ngiyatholakala kwinombolo yami ethi 082 817704. Ku social media uyena uSiyanda Mcwaba, khona laphayana ku Facebook, khona na ku TikTok. So everyone ongangilandela khona kuma social media. Thank you very much. Be blessed.
Yeah, man.